All right, and the next recipe that we're going to do today is another microwave mug recipe. This time it is blueberry muffin. So you're going to start with your mug. You're going to put in 1 melted tablespoon of butter, and then 3 tablespoons of flour, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of cinnamon, you should use your fingers and pull out a pinch of cinnamon rather than just dumping all the cinnamon in, but that's okay. Next, we're going to have 1 slightly beaten egg. And with your spoon, you're going to mix all of that before you put the blueberries in so that you don't crush the blueberries when you're mixing. Mix it until all the ingredients are blended and everything is moist. And once everything is mixed, you're going to gently stir in your blueberries. Now, depending on your microwave, your cooking times will vary. Start with 1 minute and then use a knife to check. Stick your knife in the middle of the batter and pull it out. If it's dry, your muffin's done. If it's wet, start cooking it again at 30-second intervals, checking until it comes out dry. Let it cool and enjoy. Thank you, Saoirse. Let me know how it goes. Bye.